Hi, I'm Faizan. I'm an experienced manager at India Hikes. I'm here to share the general weather update and information about all the India Hikes treks running out of Himachal Pradesh. As you would have seen in the news, in the last 1 week, Himachal Pradesh state had been hit by various flash floods, cloud bursts, and a lot of roads were blocked on the way to Manali as well. Because of the weather alerts issued by the government, we had to change the itineraries of our Himachal Pradesh treks like Hamta Pass. In that case, the trekkers of Hamta Pass had to stay back at our India Hike Jungle Line campus in Manali because of the safety concerns up on the trek. We also had to divert the treks to the safer alternate options like Chandrakhani Pass. The Bias Kund trek also faced challenges with the overflowing streams on the various locations of the trail. However, we did not have any trekkers present up on the trek at that time. Due to the Bias river being overflown and very furious almost every year around the same time, we have taken a call to discontinue and stop the operations of the Bias Kund trek from the July onwards this year. On the positive note, the Brigu Lake and the Miar Valley trek of Himachal Pradesh had been running as per the scheduled itinerary. However, this being the peak monsoon season in the Himachal Pradesh, you can expect the weather to be challenging in the upcoming week again. For the upcoming week, the orange alert has been issued in the 7 districts of Himachal Pradesh, including Kullu. As of today, the weather is clear. It is bright and sunny day in Manali. Additionally, the roads to Manali have also opened up and we are back to running a trek smoothly as per the scheduled itinerary along with the government permissions. The first group of the Pin Bhaba Pass trek has also started with the trek today with the promising weather in the valley, and they're expected to be on the scheduled itinerary as of now. In case of the weather being too challenging in the upcoming times, and if you can make it to Manali, we will make sure to take you up on the trek, keeping your safety in mind. In that case, make sure to have a buffer day or two planned in your overall itinerary. All of us at India Hikes, we are fully prepared and equipped to tackle any such situations with the safety protocols in place. If you are trekking with India Hikes in the upcoming week, please keep in touch with your experienced coordinators. They will be sharing the latest information about the weather, about the road condition, and also the schedule of your trek. If you are trekking on your own, keep looking out for the latest information on the India Hikes website and our social media platforms. Thank you.